Hello everyone, welcome to week 2 of our class. This section focuses on essential formulas and functions in Excel, with an emphasis on understanding cell references and learning to navigate Excel grid system effectively. So mastering this concept is crucial for creating accurate and efficient formulas. So today we'll be looking at understanding Excel grid system. In our last class, we talked about the rows and your column. Your rows and your column. So Excel is organized into column, like I said, and is identified with your alphabet A, B, C, etc. And your rows is identified by your numbers. So the intersection of a column and a row form a cell. This is a cell, like e.g. your A1, your B1, your C1. So with active cells, the cells you are currently working in is called the active cell, and it is highlighted with a borderline. This is your borderline. This is your active cell, the cell you are currently working on. So cell references, you can identify your cell references by location of a cell in the grid. This is what we call your cell references, which is also called your name box. Your row 1, column A, row 1, column B, row 1, column B, row 2. So cell references are critical for formulas, allowing Excel to perform calculations using specific data. We'll be looking at types of cell references. So to use formulas effectively, understanding the types of cell reference is key. We'll be looking at the types of cell references we have. We have the relative reference. Let me give you an example. Your example, e.g. A1. So adjust automatically when a formula is copied to another cell. Okay, let me write a formula underneath here. Let's say equal to A2 plus your shift with your plus sign, shift plus sign plus B2. Enter. You have 16. A2 plus B2, you have 16. So when you adjust this downward, you double click and drag this downward. Can you see this? You have 18. So automatically it changes to A3 plus B3. Can you see? When you double click on it, you see your formula. It changes to A3 plus B3. This is what we call relative referencing, and this is your A4 plus B4. That's why you have 20. So we have absolute references. If, let's go back to our first formula, you double click on it or you press F2 for editing. So if you add a dollar sign here, shift plus your dollar sign, you add a dollar sign here, shift plus your dollar sign, dollar sign. So what does this do? It remains constant when copied to another cell, unlike your relative reference, in which it will change both the row number and the column letters. So this will remain constant. Enter. You have 16. So copy this downward, you still have what? 16. So your dollar sign lets your formula remain constant when copied to another cell. So it is useful when you want to reference a fixed cell in a calculation. When you want to reference a fixed cell in calculations. So no matter where you copy the formula to, it will remain fixed. So we have your mixed references, whereby maybe we only had the dollar sign in A2